Okay guys, we got Lou Bear a little travel buddy today. I just cut all of his little things out. Look at him. He's like, give me it. Stay. Stay. Do you want this? Who's your buddy? You want this? What's that? What's that? Oh, you got a buddy? He says, I needed a buddy. Oh my goodness. I needed a buddy. Oh, he's going to take him up to his little egg landing strip there. He loves to lay right there.
Mm-hmm. All right, before the rain comes, we have to make pasta, of course. Right?
Right.
Right.
Sorry I didn't film my tuna, but I did end up having tuna with my lettuce for a salad.
Sorry, we got a little panic there because the storm clouds are looking a bit intense. But we find a way through. So right now we're doing our best to block the wind with a patented wind blocker.
How when is this going?
Probably 7 minutes. So at 5:16, it'll be
Third time's the charm.
third time's the charm. You guys can let us know at home too while we learn. Can the burner go less than minimum? That sounds right, right? Like minimum is 5, maybe. I don't know. See if this even cooks at all. Maybe we accidentally turned it off. My bad.
There's the end result.
Yep,
that
look
you
how pretty
wanted.
that one is. Wow. We're gonna look crazy for having cheese quesadillas.
They just roll up the burnt.
First,
Maybe I'll stick some mayonnaise in it.
maybe, yeah. All right, first bite going in. What do we think? What do we think?
Hot.
Okay, very hot, yeah. Oh,
Okay.
sadly the first bite is gonna be vertical, so you're gonna get a wacky view of it for some reason. But it's okay.
It's so windy. I have to put my salad in the back over here. I just washed up some of the lettuce. I'll put a little dressing on it. And voila. I'm going to call that a salad. Amazing. Yay, look at that. It's almost done.
Hey, this is how you learn how to cook on one of these, right?
I said, don't learn from me.
Uh-oh.
I've never used one of these before.
Yummy. Gotta plate it up, right?
Yep.
Just pop it there. Ta-da!
I'll eat it, and I don't like it.
How much on it too with
Where's
you?
the Pam?
The what?
Pam?
Oh, I don't know. You got me. You don't need Pam for quesadillas. Am I right, guys? True ones understand. True ones get it.
We'll turn it down.
All right.
Sora does not like his cooked that much.
Take 2.
All right. Look at that beef. I think we're about good. We'll let that cool off and then bag it up and put it in the freezer. Yahoo! It's all coming together, and we got eggs, getting bread, bacon. All right, we're gonna chow down and eat. Oh, is it gonna be so good? You had bacon and eggs? Mm-hmm. Yum.
Amazing.
All right. It's delicious.